to Totallyevelyn. Today I am going to be rejuvenating my face. I'm going to be doing a face mask with organic products that you would have in the house, which isn't going to cost you a fortune. Do you remember the video I put up last week with the lovely model Clara Landrat? Well, I have had some inside tips and I'm going to share them with you. This is the organic recipe from Clara, who has her own website as well, where she makes her products and really pumps up her face. She has her own beauty regime that she does every other day. So she shared her secret with me. It's very simple actually. I'm going to show you what to do and we'll get right into it straight after this short break. See you soon. Hey guys, welcome back to Totallyevelyn. Excited? Do we want to have pumped up skin? Do you know, every time I go out on a night out, I always want to have that bit of sheen, you know, just to look quite sort of radiant. I don't think you get that with moisturisers. I don't think you get that with foundations, because the foundation might look like it goes on nice and it looks luminous at the start, but it doesn't continue to do that. So if you put on a nice little face mask before you're going out, and then put on your moisturiser, your regular moisturisers, or else you could just do it before you go to bed and your skin will feel really glorious in the morning. Let's see what we do. I guess being a model, you would have had to always make sure your skin was radiant. Now I hope she realises that I'm sharing all this with you. Don't think I was meant to, think it was meant to be our little secret. So be quiet. Shh. She's saying that the malic acid in apples makes a perfect exfoliator without damaging the skin. Citric acid, malic acid and vitamins in the nectarine makes the skin soft and sunspot free. And the resveratrol in grapes is the best anti-wrinkle natural remedy. All you need to do is have a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, just make it like a pulp. Right, let's try it. Do not take the skin off, because the skin is actually really important on the fruit. So I'll just take a good chunk of the nectarine. I put in more than 3 grapes. No, I better not put in. I better do as I'm told. Actually, I'll just eat the grape. She says you can make it up and you can eat it as well as you go. Inwardly and outwardly. Okay. Apple. Great that you don't have to peel it. You just have to put it in. I think we'll put in quite a bit of the apple because I really want to exfoliate my skin as well. So that's all you need to do. If you've got a NutriBullet, put it in the NutriBullet. Pour the juice in a glass jar and apply on your face with fingers or a cotton ball. Leave for 20 minutes and rinse off with cool water. Done. You can keep the rest in the fridge for up to 2 days. I wouldn't do that, but not longer, as it's natural and bacteria can develop. Stay out of the sun, as the fruit acid will make your skin photosensitive. You can do it every other day, either in the morning if you're staying in, or in the evening. I would personally do it in the evening if I'm going out, because I want my skin to feel that bit just radiant. It does. Okay, we're just popping all that in there. Like this. Here's one I did earlier. I like it to be in the fridge because it's going to go on the face nice and cold. Let's check. I'll take my jacket off for this. Just going to pop it on. Just chuck it on. Make sure that your face has been cleanly washed. Mine was just done. That's all we're doing. Tap it on. Eat it. Do you know what it tastes like? I don't know if you used to make your own kids' food. I used to do all mine with the natural products. And I used to make it into a smoothie or make it into a pulp like this. Stewed apples. And they used to love it. And I used to eat it then as well. So all you're doing is that, put some on your head. So I guess you could just leave this on and lie down and watch the TV for 20 minutes. Or else. Just make your dinner. Just don't eat too much before your dinner. It's the more in my mouth, the more on my face. That's all kind of patted on. Let it go really dry. Right, that is so beautiful, cold. Okay, leave it to set. And let's see what happens. Let's get this off. I look like someone that's got something wrong with me. All you need to do is get some lukewarm water, she says, and just wash it off. It went very sort of dry on the face, but moist as well, so it doesn't feel like too harmful to your face. And it didn't nip as well, which is nice. Sometimes you put on these masks and they nip. Of course, this is all natural, organic products. It feels great, honestly, it does. It feels so nice. Use your own moisturiser, or probably look at her link, because that feels absolutely gorgeous. Doesn't it look pumped up? Since I'm doing Herbalife, I've got my Herbalife product that I'll just put on top, which is my serum. And my moisturiser. I guess you can put the mask all the way down on your neck, but that would be for a night when you were just going to lie in the bath and relax. Okay, that is me done and ready to put my foundation on. Lovely! Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Nice. Oh, I've got the makeup on. I'll be feeling fabby dabby dozy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that was of value. I will see you on Sunday, where I'll be chatting more about masks, but not the mask for the face. Actually it is, it's a face mask. So it'll be a very, very unusual looking face mask, and there's quite a selection of them. See you on Sunday. Bye, lots of love. Take good care. Remember, subscribe, like and share.